Inserting and editing cell contents. When you click on cell to make it active, you can then simply begin to type in order to insert content into a cell. Let's take for example Monday, MON into A1. When you press written key, it automatically puts the content into the cell and brings the active cell right below it. For example, if I type total and press the written key, it will bring the cell down. Enter key is also called as written key. You can use the arrow keys. You can go up, down, left and right. If you already have contents inside a cell, you can click on the cell, and if you want to edit it, go up into the formula bar, click once and edit. When you're finished, press enter or written key. Notice that when you type text into Excel, it appears towards the left-hand side of the cell. However, when you type a number and you press enter, the number automatically goes to the right side of the cell. Excel will always align text to the left and numbers to the right.